Okay, Keiko, here's what you asked for. This right here is actually where my harness connects into the board. I'm looking for a let's see, 10 amp fuse. I was checking over here by the RCAs, trying to see if I could see anything that it might be. I'm also looking for that triangle with the exclamation point. I found these on the side. I'm pretty sure these are MOSFETs from some research I did about amps a while back. Sorry, it takes the iPhone a few seconds to focus, and this is all I have. Okay. I'm not seeing a triangle with an exclamation point, but it could be under these blotches or something. I'm really not sure. Oh, is that the triangle? That's one thing I did notice. There's some stuff missing on here. Right there, that's the first triangle I've seen. Okay. But at the same time, though, I have never had this noise problem out of amps before. Maybe it's a first time thing. What I did do before, though, I followed this trace line. I was looking at it, trying to figure out where it went. Alright, I think that's about all I'm going to have time for.